Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using the Cash app for a while to manage my money, and recently I needed to deposit cash at Walgreens but couldn't figure out where to find the barcode. So if you are also trying to do the same, here is exactly how to find your Cash app barcode step by step. First of all, you need to open your Cash app application just like so, and then you just have to simply log in if you aren't already. Over here on the home screen, you will see your profile icon in the top right hand corner. So you can either tap on the profile icon and select the banking tab, or you will most likely going to see the banking tab on the home page, and here you need to simply scroll down and select the paper money option. Now, if it is your first time, the app might ask for the location permissions. So you need to make sure that you allow it because it needs to show the participating stores near you. After that, you will see a map and a list of nearby stores, including Walgreens. So you need to find the barcode location you want to visit, and then you just have to simply tap on the show code. This is going to generate a unique barcode that a Walgreens cashier can scan. You need to remember that the barcode is only valid for 30 minutes, so generate it when you are ready to pay. At Walgreens, you just have to go to the cashier and tell them that you want to deposit money to your Cash App account and show them the barcode. You need to hand over the cash you want to deposit, and it should reflect in your Cash App balance almost immediately. So if this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.